Hello, Kiana Sage here with this month's Being in Sync Insight. And because we're going into a new year, I always look at and review my last year. So this is my highs and lows of 2018. And so I'll start with the highs because I always like to start with the positives first. So I had two significant highs and two pretty big lows. And the significant high started with what I would have thought was a low. And it started off in 2017 with, oh shit, I have to do this. But my high of this year is hands down facing my fears from the past. I spent a solid 7 months going through all of my memories of a childhood all the way up through adulthood and really re-experiencing them, reframing them, if you will, so I could create this new program that I'm launching in 2019. So that's my high, is that I didn't let my fears rule me. I actually faced some things that were pretty difficult and overcame them and created a whole new way of being. So that's my number one high. My second high is really the expansion and growth of my Peak Leadership and Apex program. If you haven't been a part of that, that is a program where I go out with clients, out with the horses. The Peak Leadership is a 1-day program and the Apex is a 2-day program. And I really feel like I do some of my best work out there with the horses. It's been amazing to see that grow. And in fact, next year I'm looking forward to teaching people on how to facilitate those types of events. So that was really my high point, was to see that part of my career grow and flourish. And so now my lows. My lows are being displaced and out of a house for 7 months. I was completely in a remodel and a rehab, and it went significantly longer than it should have. And that was a real low. And the other big low of my year was working with a bully. I had some great awarenesses of what a bully behavior shows up like, and they really are not fun to work with. So that was my low. And so you might be thinking, well, what do I do with this information, Kiana? Why are you sharing it with me? I highly encourage you to look at your year as highs and lows and look at different ways in which you could take those experiences of being in your knowing and incorporate it into being in sync, because that makes you a full, well-rounded person. So cheers to being in the flow and being in sync.